get around just fine on 50 cc's. I really haven't any problems. I mean, and I weigh about, 105, 106 kilograms. That's about as fast as I can accelerate right there. But I mean, the speed limit here is 30. Let's get to the next light. Everybody else driving a 110 or a 125, and I'm just cruising along on a 50. So I mean, it's doable. I can get up and go a little bit. Hitting all the lights today. Gotta go slow. I mean, if you're thinking of getting a 50 here in Vietnam, you can do it. Because most people who drive these are going to weigh less than I do. It's just whether or not you want to deal with this traffic and if you're able to drive in this. I mean, I'm getting more used to it, but I'm still not like okay with it. I just become more adaptive. But the Kimco Like, this has been a really good bike. It's got a lot of storage, comfortable, sits high enough off the ground for me. But anyway, that's all I'll say about that for now. keeping up just fine. I actually have to slow down. I'll probably string these videos together from today and make one video or something, I don't know. I'm closer to downtown now. Even on Tuesday, the traffic is just ridiculous. See what I mean? It's gotta go slow.
Slight right after cafe 245 onto. Continue for 1.5 kilometers.
Just showing you guys some of the traffic here. My speed limit never goes over 30 miles an hour. I'm usually floating between, 15, 25 miles an hour. My speedometer is in kilometers, so you can kind of see how fast I'm going. It goes 0, 20, 40, and then 60. So if you're looking at my speedometer, you can kind of see how fast I'm going. You got to remember when you drive here, only go as fast as you're comfortable because you might have to stop in a hurry. Like this right here, see? See what I mean? You got shit going on in front of you where you might have to stop. So just because you can go fast doesn't mean you should go fast. Drive the conditions, If it's crowded and congested, just go slower. Always be prepared to stop all of a sudden. The speed on the 50 is good and bad because it's not heavy on the throttle, like the acceleration is low. So like if I get on it too hard, it's not going to take off because there's been times where I get on the throttle and then I need to stop. And this thing is so slow on the acceleration that it keeps me out of trouble. But on the other hand, if I need to get out of the way of trouble, the acceleration is slow. So it's like a double-edged sword with that. If I could drive here, just about anybody can, but I would recommend you at least have motorcycle experience, scooter experience, something before you come here. Just because you drive a 50cc without a license doesn't mean you should. I would at least say have some experience. Even with my experience, it's still a big learning curve on driving here. Probably going to turn the camera off up here at the red light if I stop, but it'll be the next time I stop. Going downtown to check out some bridges. They got some beautiful bridges downtown, but they're a ways away from where I live, so I've got to drive down here. It's a nice little BMW.
200 meters, slide right.
See, I'm just not in a hurry. And that lower acceleration on that 50
Take the next right, then
keeps
sharp
me out of
left.
trouble. Turn right. Really, how am I turning right? Oh, right there. Do like a U-turn up here.
Sharp left.
Yep. Turn left. Turn left with all this other bullshit right here. Let's try to go as a group. Yeah, there's a truck up there screwing it up for everybody. Anyway, I'm turning the camera off. I'll see you guys later. Here's that famous bridge. This is the same bridge the North Vietnam Army used to get into Saigon. Now on this bridge I can just max out my my speed on this. I mean, I'm maxed out on my speed. And that's the fastest I've ever had this bike. I could go faster downhill, but too many people. But you see, I'm keeping up with everybody though. Getting rained on a little bit right now.
Turn right.
That was pretty cool going over that bridge.
200 meters, continue straight.
This is coming back into Saigon. I might have to pull over and put my sun sleeves back on. Oh shit, I fucked that up. I went the wrong way.
Take the next left. Continue for 1 kilometer.
Made a quick little U-turn.
Take the next right, then make a U-turn.
Stop right here, put my sun sleeves on. Now you people watching this, when you come here, I mean, if you want to rent a motorbike, go for it. Just watch a lot of videos on how to drive here and just learn that if it has more than 2 wheels, it's going to have the right of way. That Grab driver, he was on the far left and I couldn't see him, and all of a sudden he's in my blind spot. That was crazy. I'm driving into the wind, so we'll see how that wind reduction works while driving into the wind. If I'm talking too much, I apologize. I just like to talk to you guys, and it keeps me calm. Got a car up my ass right there. Like I said, more than 2 wheels. It's got the right of way. Make a good time today. That's pretty intense doing that shit. I'll never get used to that. See what I mean? If you're not comfortable going fast, just go slow. No one cares. No one cares how slow you go. Just stay on the right-hand side and go slow. See, I don't know if that's legal or not for them to go out into the street like that. They probably have a permit or something. That's full throttle right there, man. And then so you got people crossing the street, crossing the street. That's a Vigo. This little orange Toyota thing. Yeah, 1.2 liter. Bikes are technically not allowed to be in that left lane. Now, if you're turning left, that's a different story, but if you're cruising in the left lane, you're not supposed to. Okay, bikes can go. I didn't see the bike sign
turn left.
Let's go with that guy.
Next left, then your destination will be on the left.
In the weeds on that one. Here we go. Here comes my coconut dude. Right there in front of me. I want to stop right here. Look at all the coconuts he's got. Look at all that.
Your destination is on the left.